The Lefant M210 Pro Vacuum is a high-performance robot vacuum cleaner with a powerful 2200 PA suction designed to effectively clean pet hair, hard floors, and low-pile carpets. It boasts an impressive 120 minutes runtime and automatic self-charging feature, ensuring continuous and uninterrupted cleaning. Featuring 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge, it offers a comprehensive cleaning strategy that reaches every corner of your home. It is highly customizable, allowing users to monitor the cleaning path, schedule cleaning plans, adjust suction levels, and change cleaning modes through the Lefant App or voice controls via Alexa Google Assistant. The compact design of the vacuum, with an 11-inch diameter and 2.99-inch height, makes it perfect for cleaning narrow spaces under beds, sofas, and corners. Equipped with FreeMove 3.0 technology, it has upgraded 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors that detect the surrounding environment, helping the robot vacuum avoid obstacles and automatically adjust the cleaning path.